More than 500,000 COVID-related deaths nationwide, but there is some good news. Vaccine distribution is ramping up and fewer people are in the hospital.
The color amber filled the Dallas skyline Monday night, a unifying statement to recognize those who died from COVID.
I have a hard time sometimes thinking like, oh my God, my mom is dead. Like she's not coming back.
Mayor Eric Johnson signed a proclamation March 1st, marking the day as COVID-19 Victims and Survivors Memorial Day, something dozens of mayors across the country did as well.
It's important to memorialize, and that's a very huge and the first step in moving forward in prevention, right? We never want this to happen again. We don't want to be under a bio war, and this virus has very much put us in that position.
Caitlin Urenda Culpepper's mother died from COVID in El Paso last summer. Urenda Culpepper works with an organization called Marked by COVID. It's pushing to make this day a national day of remembrance.
When you lose that many people, some of them have been family and they come here for the past 10 years. So we decided to hold something to kind of memorialize them.
A small ceremony was held outside Quality Care Health Clinic in DeSoto. The Floral Project provided heart-shaped flowers for tributes around the state. DeSoto Mayor Rachel Proctor spoke at the event.
I actually have lost some of my clients to COVID-19. I actually own a child care center in the city of Dallas, and we lost several of our parents to this disease that have very young children that we cared for in our center. So it has absolutely hit home.
As we approach the 1-year mark when COVID-19 was officially labeled as a pandemic, some optimism about the fight against it. Vaccine distribution continues to increase, with a third vaccine being approved and delivered this week. The state increased the vaccine allotment in Denton County by 7,000 doses, the same in Collin County. Dallas and Tarrant counties have FEMA mega sites catering to vulnerable populations, and the state reallocated doses to the county health department, something that didn't happen last week. While deaths continue to be reported, health officials caution signs show the pandemic is taking a turn for the hopeful.
Part of this is a way to still talk about the vaccine and encouraging our patients, hey, go get the vaccine. Take the vaccine.
Take the vaccine when it's available to. That's the message from a lot of people. Meanwhile, as far as that national push, guys, it's already been presented to Congress by a member of the House, and there is some support among Texas lawmakers.